हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ निकिता एंड वेलकम टू अन अकेडमी। लाखों लोग यूपीएससी सीएससी की तैयारी करते हैं इस उम्मीद में कि वो आईएएस ऑफिसर बने, लेकिन उनमें से लगभग 1000 बच्चों की ही रैंक्स आती है। तो जैसे कि यू ऑल नो कि रिजल्ट इज़ हियर, हमारे सामने रैंकर्स हैं। सो टुडे वी हैव विद अस ऑल इंडिया रैंक 2 मिस्टर अनिमेश प्रधान। हाय अनिमेश जी, वेरी वेरी कंग्रेचुलेशंस। All India rank 2 sitting here right at an academy. How you're feeling?
Thank you so much. I've not yet processed it. It has not yet sunk in, but I'm extremely overwhelmed, full of gratitude, and I'm extremely happy.
So how was your reaction when you saw your rank in the list?
I mean, extremely surreal, but for long I could not believe it. I kept on crying. It was an emotional movement, and I was just full of gratitude, and I was just overwhelmed at that time.
So what is your educational background and what is your optional, and how did you prepare, like how did you start preparing for this exam?
So, I'm a graduate from NIT Rourkela with BTech Computer Science Engineering, and after that I got posted in Indian Oil Corporation. Here I've been working for 2 years now. So, how I started my preparation was that I always wanted to do UPSC, but with a job, because there were obviously back at home there were issues, both financial and non-financial, and I wanted to be independent and do it on my own. Uh, uh, I started in 2022 full-fledgedly, and it had been a rocky journey after that. So that's how it got started.
Okay, so who's your inspiration? I would like to know that.
So my mother is my biggest inspiration. Although a lot of people in the journey have invested, it's not just my success today. My father, my mother, both aren't today with me. I lost my mother a month back. But it's their spirits, their inspiration, their strength that has always fueled me to do better than what I'm currently doing. My sister was my biggest strength of support. My brother-in-law, my friends, my school teachers from DV back at home, and my colleagues at Indian Oil, they have supported and invested in my journey. So it's not just a personal success, but everyone's success.
Of course, wherever your parents would be, they must be very proud of you. So, what advice you would like to give to the aspirants who who get demotivated like that? So, how you want, like what you want to communicate to them to get going whenever they feel low?
So there will be moments when you'll feel low. That's very natural. If you're not feeling low, then there's something wrong in your journey. But always you have to get up by thinking that why did you sign it up for? What was the primary reason for preparing through? Because when you prepare, you're already aware that it will take a lot. It will take minimum 2 years, 1 year for preparation, 1 year for the entire journey. So you knew what you were signing it off for. But if push comes to shove, seek a medical help. I had been on therapy for many, many years now. You can always see a counselor, a psychologist if need comes, and do not shy away from that. And it's very crucial people normalize this.
So, one advice you want to give to those people who's like it was your first attempt and you scored all India rank 2. So, what advice you would like to give to the aspirant जो अभी इस साल prepare करने वाले हैं, जो इसी बार में ही निकाल ले?
So the goal always should be to clear it in first attempt, and I'm also aware that I was enormously lucky to get through this in like the first attempt, and a major amount of luck goes into this. A lot of subjectivity is there, but never think this ki acha theek hai, I'll have 2 attempts, 3 attempts. You can always do a planning, a long-term planning, but your goal should be ki my first attempt should be my best attempt, and I have to put my heart and soul into it. But even though it does not, then always have a plan that what's the maximum you can take, because you have to get back to your career as well. Do not make UPSC as your entire life, but just a part, be it important, but just a part of your life.
Thank you so much. I will not take your much time because I want you to enjoy this moment. So, thank you and enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the entire team. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to अन अकेडमी। मैं हूँ अन अकेडमी के ORN सेंटर में। यहाँ पे यूपीएससी की टॉप फैकल्टीज़ है और लर्नर्स का फीडबैक भी बहुत अच्छा है। नया बैच 19 अप्रैल को शुरू हो रहा है, तो आप इंक्वायरी के लिए सेंटर विजिट कर सकते हैं। हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अन अकेडमी का सेंटर मुखर्जी नगर में भी है। नया बैच 24 अप्रैल को शुरू हो रहा है। अन अकेडमी का एक सेंटर प्रयागराज में भी है। नया बैच 22 अप्रैल को शुरू हो रहा है। प्रिपरेशन को बेस्ट चांस देने के लिए आज ही अनअकैडमी के सेंटर विजिट कीजिए। अगर आप ORN में है तो ORN में, मुखर्जी नगर है तो मुखर्जी नगर, और अगर प्रयागराज है तो प्रयागराज में।